How to switch to Binance Pro. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can switch to the Binance Pro interface, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now by now you must have already figured out that Binance has two types of interface. One is a light interface, the other is a Pro interface, which is much more advanced. Now Pro does not mean you need to pay for it, it's just a little bit advanced version of Binance. So currently I'm also on the light version, which is LITE, which is like simple, minimal, and for beginners it's perfectly fine. But if you want to go to the advanced one and you want to switch, then tap on the Bitcoin profile from the top left, which is the Binance profile. Then at the bottom you'll find a logo that says Binance Pro. So you just have to tap on the Binance Pro option. As you do that here, you'll be successfully switched to the Binance Pro option that you'd be able to find here. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then basically switch to Binance Pro. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.